guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? Happy Monday. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is, I missed this video last week. So for today, I will save the double amount. I'm doing the mini saving challenge and the monthly saving challenges. But for mini weekly, I'm saving $30 each week. But last week I wasn't able to record or film, so I just keep the money here. And for today, I will save it, the money that I need to save last week and this week. So the total amount is $60. So here's the money, and we're using prop money to to stretch the $60, and I already count the money. And we're using this numbered envelope so that I know where the money go. But the one who will deciding that is, of course, the dice. So I will using, hold on, four-sided dice, and I'm letting the dice decide how many prop money I'll use. I will save on each of this 8 envelope. I have 8 challenges on my mini saving challenges binder, so I already have it. And let me just shuffle this. Sorry for the mess. Today I'm having here 2, 4, spicy 5. And let me shuffle. I don't know how to do that. Let me shuffle it. So let's see who will get the lucky or spicy 5 for this week. Okay, so let's start. For envelope 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Envelope 2 is 2. Envelope 3 is 2. Envelope 4 is 3. Envelope 5 is 2. Envelope 6 is 4. Envelope 7 is 1. Envelope 2 is 2. Oh, envelope 8 is 2. Envelope 1 again is 2. Envelope 2 is 2. The other 2 pieces. Envelope 3 is 1. Envelope 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. We finished the $60, and let's see we which one got the most. And then let me just do it like this. Okay, so for envelope 1, how much it get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $7. And which challenge is that? So this dashboard is from Miss Judy of Savvy Judy. Let me just put it here. So for challenge 1, it's from, this is 6 girls budget, and we need here, how much? Hold on. I think it's saved here. We need here $10 to complete this. But for today, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $7. So let me just do it like this. So 4, 2, and then here. So we only need 3 to finish this. So total amount now is $47. So let me just change it into Again, this is from Six Girls Budget. So all the completed saving challenge here, the money that I will save in here, I will reallocate it into our month ahead binder. So for challenge number 2, so it's saved $5. And then challenge number 2, and the saving challenge here is from just the one who made it, but I purchased it through Asia M Budget's coffee shop. So the money that I will save in here, if I completed it, this is a 3 set, and I will send it to her so that I can, in my own way, I can help her on his during this difficult time. So let's save here 2, 3, 4, 5. So each circle is $1. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, what we save here is $8. So let me just change this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into, okay. So envelope number 3 is from, hold on, let me just get this. Oh, this one is from the Dramatic Panda. It featuring the Powerpuff Girls. Each star is $2. So for today we have two $5. So let's cross two, two, and then one. So total amount saving here is $25. So let me just consolidate this. All right. So next challenge, the spicy fire hasn't shown yet. So for challenge number 4, this is, let me just get it if I can finish today or no. Oh, this is another one of Asha's challenge. So how much we save in here? Let's see. 2, 4, oh, spicy 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, $17. Whoa, $17. Let me just change this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and mark 17 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So total amount saved here is $18 for now. So for challenge number 5, I think this is another of Aisha. Okay. So number 5 got $6. And let me cross this out. So 1, 3, 3, $6. And for number 6, oh, two spicy 5, so $14. Number 6 is, charan, this from no release budgets. So we need here, how much? Hi, sorry about that. My phone memory is full, so that's why the video also stopped. And I refilm it the following day. So this what I mark here, I save here. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14. So I mark it out, and the total amount for no release budgets saving challenge are 20, 29. Okay. I keep talking and I thought that it's recorded, but when I'm checking my phone, it's already memory is in full. So for this one, for Mamshi Queen, I save here only one, which is $2. So the total amount here is 24. So this is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. And for number 8, luckily I use different color marker, so I know which one I save. So for this challenge, this is from Tiny Budget Co. And I save here $4. So total of 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So let me just condense it. And all the real money, I put it in here. This is the prop money bank, and $14 for this one will go to completed saving challenges, which I will reallocate when I get time. But for now, let's just keep this aside and let's move along to our monthlies. So for our monthlies, I will save here $70. All right, so let's start with, I have here, I think six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the first one, this is from Lady Di of Lady Di Saves. I'm from behind with this monthly saving challenges. So let me just complete this April. So it's 5, 5, 10, 11, isn't it? So 5, 6, yeah, it's 11. So let me get $11. Hold on, $11. So I get here 12 and change of $1. So the total amount here for now is 90, 100, 110, 117. So let me go back if I can. And you know what? Let's finish this one as well. So let me get this. So let's finish this also. All right. So total of 127. Let me double check. 50. Yeah, 127. So let me change this $5 into, where is it? Into this one. So if I still have money, I'll go back here so that I can finish the June one, the June. So for now, let's just put it. Hold on. Well, okay. Okay, let me just put it like this first. So for the second one, is from Rocks of Rocks Budgets. And to finish March, we need here $7. So let's get $7. Okay, let's get 10. And now we got here $90. I think it's $30 each month. So for 3 months, January, February, March. So that's correct. I have here $90. So I just put it like here first as well. So if I still have money, I'll go back And for the next one, this is from Lauren. It's a book, but I made it as a monthly savings as well. So I'm also behind with this one. So this one is still on February, I think. Yeah. And I still need here how many? So instead of saving $5, I'll save $2. So I will save here are $40. And for now we have here 37. So we need $3 to finish this. And let me just get this and put this aside. And let me color, I think this one. So half is $1. And then one more heart. It is more than 20 hidden hearts here, I think. So let me color one more heart. Where is it? Oof, oof, oof. I can't see it, but anyway, so I save here 40. Okay. And the total amount here from January, hold on, is so far what we have here is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yay! 90. So next time I will do this March 1 to catch up. And let me just put it like this and go to the next challenge, which is get budgets. And here, let's save here $10. Still have $10 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's all prop money. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let me change it into this and put the prop money up behind. So total amount here from January, it's $40 each month. So now we got 40 times 3 is 120, 140. Hold on, why I miss one here? Maybe I didn't. Yeah, I missed one. So let's get one. Okay, let me recount again. So now the total amount here is, sorry, my brain today is all over the place. Sorry about this. So it's 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 90, 100. Let's fold it like this so that I know it's 100. And 110, 20, 30, 40, 145. And let's change it into $5. Hold on. Where's my $5? Okay. 145 for now. And let's see if I can complete 1 month today. So for this one is from Myra of Cash and Color Budgets. So to complete April, we need here a lot. 6, 10, 11. So let's complete 11. Let's get 11. Sorry about this. I just got some prop money today. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. And I'll take out 10 and change it into real money. And now the total amount here is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! 104. And let's cross this out. So April, so each month you need to save 26 times 4, so 104. That's correct. Okay. And next one is May, and it's gonna be this one. So if I have a chance, I will go back and save more. So for this one, this is from Christy of CW Does Life, and I owe here $1. Let's get $1. And it's a rolling save. I'm using, so this June is complete because last time I over rolled the six-sided dice, three-sided dice. That's why I crossed it out. So today I complete it. Okay, that's correct. And I will not, and I will get the July one, which is, I need to get it from here. Let me just get it from here first. Okay, so this the July, and it's a roll and save. So I will roll and save. So let me roll three-sided dice. So one and one. So three, so $4. Let me save here $4 for now. So five and change it to one. And we have here from January, we have here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 83. Okay, let me change it into real money. All right. And we still have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $12. So which one? Let's go back. Okay, let's catch up with this one. From Miss for Lady Di. No, it's not enough. So let's save here another $5. I think one of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this one, let's change it into real money. And it's in here. Okay. Let's put it here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $7. $7. Where we go? I think. Let's try here first for Lauren. This is a 2 dice challenge. So blank spot, save 1, and the shamrock, save 3, and save 6. No, that's too. Okay, let's just do like that. So let me roll those six-sided dice. I don't know if you can still see it. So let's roll. So 6 and 1. 6 and 1. So this is $3. Let's save here 3. And another one. I hope no I owe you today. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Oh, $6. 3 and 2 is $6. I only have here how much? 4, so I owe $2. Let me write down here $2. Okay. So far what we save in here, total of, let me change this, 2, 4, 6, 7. Let me change this. So now 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 97. Yay! 97 plus 2. So 99. And that's it for this monthlies. And let me go to, hey, I think where's this? Hold on. Let me arrange this. It's now messy. Where's the envelope here? Here is this one, this one, this one. Mhm. Yeah, there. Supposed to be, this one is at the back. Sorry about this. So this is done. Okay, this is May. I know I can catch up with, in no time I can catch up. All right. So for long term, I will do it next time. I hope you like what I shared today, and my name is all over there. Sorry about that. So that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Happy savings.